Here is how solar power is transforming landlords' profits. As you can see in this flowchart, this one, solar energy is a expense, not an investment. So let's talk about that. Let's give you an example. So let's say Laura is a landlord in Texas, and her home has increased value of $20,000 within a year. And by doing that, she can charge a premium eco-friendly option because she don't have to spend her money with more and more bills and energy bills that will keep increasing price. Instead, she decided to use solar power. And by doing that, her bill's not going to be like in the grid. It's going to be a fixed solar payment. So this difference, she can invest in her properties to make it better. So what was the workflow she followed? Manage properties. Then she decided to evaluate her properties. And she decided to increase her property value. If yes, then she decided to use solar panels to lower her bill by 65% approximately. It saves something around $18,000 for a average landlord. In her case, it was $20,000 within a year. And alright, she decided to use solar panels, and then her property increased by $20,000 as I said. And then by doing that, she had the option to increase her raise rents, and by doing that, she can charge more money. And also, there's the alternative to keep it the same thing. Alright, let's give the second myth. Second, solar doesn't benefit landlords directly, since finance pay utilities. Well, let's see. As you can see in this other example, let's give John, a landlord in Miami. He's frustrated because his electric bills gonna go up and down, and keep increasing over time. And by doing that, his costs are unpredictable. And by adding solar, let's see here, you see the feedback from the tenants, and they are frustrated with the energy bill. If yes, he decided to add solar panels. And by doing that, instead of having to worry about the inflation in energy costs that are going to keep growing and growing every year, he's choosing to use solar panels that are going to have a fixed price, much lower compared over time. And by doing that, he offer a fixed energy cost included in rent. And because of that, the retention of the tenant has increased by 25% over 3 years. Alright, let's give another example. Myth 3. Solar is only for homeowners, not rented properties. Well, let's see. Let's give you an example. Let's say Megan, who owns a rental property in Los Angeles. And she's fitting for more homeowners than landlords. But after installing the solar panel, as you can see here, she evaluates her properties and the thoughts come up. What tenants value eco-friendly homes? If yes, she decided to add solar panels. And by doing that, we attract more tenants that are eco-conscious tenants. And then, after that, she was able to increase the rent by $200 a month, which is cool. Alright, and for the fourth example, myth. Tax incentives for solar don't apply to rental properties. Well, let's see. Let's give you an example from Tom, a landlord in Orlando. He uses 30% federal tax credits. He was exploring solar panels as an option for the homes, and then he thought, are tax incentives available? If yes, he got the benefits of applying 30% tax credits, and by doing that, he reduced the costs for installation by $12,000, which is a lot. And with this money, he decides to reinvest savings into other properties. If the options of incentives are not available, you should explore any alternative financing. Alright, and for the last example, myth 5. Solar systems are hard to finance for landlords. Well, let's see. In this example, he was exploring financial options. Her, Susan, a landlord in San Diego, she was worried about the upfront costs of the solar panels. But she was worried about that, but she had the option of zero down financing, and because of that, he wasn't a, he wasn't charged anything for the first year. And then she decided to install the solar panels without having to impact her cash flow because she haven't to pay anything for the first year. And then she got the benefits from user long-term savings from the tenants because they don't have to pay the solar energy from the grid that's going to keep increasing. Instead of that, they're going to pay a fixed payment, and the difference is her product. That's simple. So if in case the upfront cost is a concern, if no, then she can use a traditional payment methods. But what, uh, what I recommend is just use the plan of zero down finish for a year, so you don't have to pay for a year for the bill or any upfront costs, and use the benefits right away from the first day. It's very cool. All right. And to then, if you choose so, start a free consultation now and unlock the benefits of solar power, including cost savings and a sustainable future. And visit the link to the description to book your appointment. Have a great day and thank you for watching.